Onuia towels are marketed as ultra-soft, highly absorbent towels that dry quickly while feeling luxurious against the skin. The product photos make them look like a premium upgrade for any bathroom. But the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, quality towels can make a noticeable difference in comfort and absorbency, and many modern towel fabrics are designed to dry faster than traditional cotton towels. What it does well: soft feel. Many users appreciate the plush texture, especially when the towels are new. Quick drying design. Depending on material, they may dry faster than thicker conventional towels. Where the hype falls apart. Absorbency varies by material. Not every quick-drying towel absorbs water, as well as premium cotton towels. Softness may change over time. Repeated washing can affect the texture, depending on the fabric quality and care. Marketing photos can be misleading. Professionally styled images may make the towels appear thicker or more luxurious than they feel in person. So, should you buy Onuia towels? Short answer: maybe if they meet your needs. If you're looking for lightweight, quick-drying towels, they may be worth considering. But if you're expecting luxury hotel-quality towels simply because of the advertising, you may want to manage your expectations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.